So we're back on the boat, and today I'm going to be talking about more of the space that you'll have. Pretty nice size, so you should be good to go there. Just make sure you bring buffer space. Just make sure you bring lockers. So this is tying, and this is how you want to leave the rope in a like swirl. This is to keep people from tripping. Let's see if I can. Oh boy. Oh, I'm not touching that. But anyway, this is really weirdly done. So this is perfect. So when you're tying, you want to flip it. It's kind of really like, I don't know. I'm gonna show you this with one hand, but you want it to be like. I know for some of you that are watching this, you're probably yelling at me right now. Am I not getting it? Ew. Why am I not getting it? Guys, viewers, what's going on here? Okay, so I think I got it. Okay, so let me start on this side. Okay, so you want to flip it like this. You see how I have that loop? And then you pull down. So some of you are in Girl Scouts, Boy Scouts. It's kind of the same concept. See how I'm pulling it to where it's nice and tight? This is kind of cool to know because a lot of my acrobatics is the same tie. This is the exact same tie. All right. So one of the things we want to do is, the rope is like really hard right now, so this is not really helpful, but go around once or twice. Flip. So watch that flip. So I'm here, my hand is here. Flip like that and then pull. This is the worst. Okay, there's that. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Flip over and pull. Go. Oh, this is like the hardest rope ever. Okay, see how that's looking? And then the last one, like that. So now, like, that removes any kind of trip hazard. Okay. And the loose pieces are swirled. Also, you want to make sure you're cleaning underneath your boat. As you can tell, this needs some serious cleaning, so I'm going to do a little bit of touch up with the brush, but you want to hire a scuba cleaner. So I showed you the little outside locker space because I forgot to show you that last time. The cooler, this stays with the boat. It can be moved around. Now back down here, this can be locked. Now the little bathroom. Hello, wild hair. There's the little space in there. Boom. Okay. Oh, and just in case I didn't cover this, make sure you unlatch and latch from there. It's the bottom. Pool all day, nothing will happen. You want to be right there. All right, so I decided to create a little bit more space and take a few more electronics in case the person wants to bring their own. I decided to make it into an opt-in and opt-out situation. So you can opt in or opt out for extra stove, extra lights, extra kettle, all this stuff here. I don't know if my last video really showed that well. Stair space one more time. Okay. These are identical, but I want to show it anyway. Great. Leave this extension cord on the boat for your convenience. I'm gonna leave this here for your convenience as well. Now the refrigerator again looks like. See how all the places are ready to come around like that. As I mentioned before, this place is super dog friendly. I'm super proud of myself because I was able to bootleg this into here. That took forever. So now it doesn't keep on flapping. Yay. I guess it shrank over the years, but that's really locked in, so it won't be like a nuisance anymore. I guess this whole thing shrank. Hopefully you can get it replaced if you're a long-term renter. If you're a one-day or short-term renter, just know this is something that we are working on. All right, yay. If you're a long-term renter, you definitely need to fix those curtains for yourself, and when you do, let us know and we'll pick up the whole one. about to blow away. The wind got me looking like this. Oh.